In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades on this Ford Fusion. You have two of them located along the bottom of your windshield, and the process is the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started. Carefully lift up on your wiper arm. Something that's important to mention is it is under spring tension, trying to force it back down towards the windshield. So if you were to let it go, the wiper arm will make its way back down. Be extremely careful. While we're holding this up, you want to make your way underneath this area where my index finger is. There's a small tab that you can carefully take hold of, pull it towards the wiper arm, and then you should be able to slide this out of place. To gain access to that little tab, we're going to use a pocket screwdriver. You may find that you have some sort of locking cover. Go ahead and gently pry that out of place. Not every wiper blade will have something that looks like that. That's just something to keep in mind. At this point, we can pivot this. We'll have a look down inside this area. There should be a small tab. You can take hold of it, pull it towards the wiper arm, and gently pull the wiper blade away. Hold on to that wiper arm, and there it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new wiper blade. We want to pay attention to the hooked area on the wiper arm, and then pay attention to the adapter on the wiper blade. We'll make sure we have this facing in the right direction. Bring the hook just above that area and slide it into place. Listen for a click and give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. On these particular wiper blades, there is no cover that goes over this area, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. Carefully take this and rest it against the windshield. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.